Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see how to implement a push button to control a LED in Tinkercad simulation. There is a direct solution for this. You don't need to do any coding, you don't need to do any connections. After exploring a couple of minutes in this particular website, I just figured it out this field called components, and it points to basic. You can actually go to this starters and find Arduino. Here you will find all the basic connections that is you can start up your project with. So we have a blink effect breadboard connection through which you can actually start other connections. Now the program is to implement a push button to control an LED, and that comes over here. You can find a button over here, right? So this button you can click and drag the circuit inside the workspace. Okay, so here you can see the connections. It's already connected. Go to the code section. You will find a well documented code in the text field. So here there is just a few lines of code that is given to these particular connections. I will provide all the explanation and connections from scratch in the later part of the video. So for the ones who just want to do the assignment or do the work, it's pretty direct, straightforward. You can just click and drop it over here. Click on run, and you will see that once the power is applied, the LED doesn't glow over here. It's an inbuilt LED. So once you click this, you will find the LED glowing, right? So until you find this push button, it'll blink and then it'll turn off. Okay, so if you want to connect an external LED, it's just simple. Just go back to the basic and drag a LED. Hopefully this should not do any burning effect because we have a resistor here, but otherwise also we can connect an external resistor to this particular ground. So once I click on push button, you can see the LED also glowing, right? So that's very simple. Now I will cover the fifth problem as well. The fifth problem is to implement or demonstrate fading of LED. So we have to implement fading of LED using 0 to maximum brightness, right? It has to from 0 to it has to increase to maximum power, and from then after some delay we have to decrease it, right? So it's just a fade in and fade out. So again go to Arduino, and here you will find a fade effect. Just click and drop into your workspace. Okay, so this is very simple connection. You will have a ground, and you will have a connection to the ground and one to the power port. Go to the code. The code does pretty much of the work here. So here you can see only a few lines of code, what it is and how it is implemented. I'll explain detail after connecting from the scratch, right? So let's try to run this. So you can see the LED glows and then fades out, again it glows. You can try changing the code for the delay purpose as well.